Here are all display settings available on POCO X7 Pro. So let's get right into it. Let's go to the settings, and over here we will find display and brightness options. Over here we can switch between the light mode and dark mode, and of course we can also go to dark mode options in order to set up the schedule for the dark mode so that it turns on automatically. We also have the screen brightness settings where we can adjust the screen brightness. You can enable and disable the automatic brightness. And if the auto brightness is disabled, we have access to the sunlight mode, which allows you to expand the brightness range and adjust the brightness automatically under bright conditions. We also have some screen options like the color scheme, where we can use vivid or saturated colors, or we can stick with the default original color Pro. We also have advanced settings if you wish to make some personal adjustments. We have the reading mode, which is the blue light filter. And if you enable it, then it turns your screen orange so that your eyes are not getting bothered by the blue light if you read at night. And we can also schedule this reading mode as well. We have the refresh rate options where we can set the default refresh rate, which uses up to 120 Hz refresh rate. However, it might drop in order to save the power consumption. Or we can set it to custom and we can set the 120 Hz refresh rate. And in some cases, we also have apps which use high refresh rate because in some cases it doesn't. Now, in addition to that, we also have some AI tools. We have the super resolution, which enhances video's quality, or the resolution of the video actually. We have the AI HDR enhancement, where we can see the difference between the enhancement with and without, of course. And we have MEMC, which is a tool that generates additional frames to videos to make the content appear smooth and transitions lively. Now, in order to, of course, make sure that we can use it, we need to also use the video toolbox, which can be found in the security app. And we also have font settings. If you choose font, then you will be redirected to the themes app, where you can choose a different font, where you can download a new font. And you can also go to the settings in order to switch to one of the available fonts that you already have installed. And you can also adjust the size of the font and the boldness if the font supports the boldness. So you can make it thinner or bolder. And these are all display settings that we have on POCO X7 Pro. Of course, in addition to that, we also have personalization options where we can, of course, adjust some other things like the always on display, icons, some effects, wallpaper carousel. We can enable and disable it, and we can also go for different themes, and we have some wallpapers here as well. So that's about it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.